Hello students, this is third lecture on solid state. As you know, there are total 7 mass weightage. In this lecture, we are going to study packing efficiency and calculation of packing efficiency in simple cube, body centered cube and face centered cube unit lattice. Let us see first what is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is nothing but in the solid the total space occupied by spheres, molecules or ions. Here packing efficiency definition is given. See, it is the ratio of volume of space occupied by the sphere by total volume, or in the ratio form, packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by all the spheres in unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell into 100. Here, calculation of packing efficiency in simple cubic unit cell. For this, we require one cube, and in that corner atom or molecule is taken. Here edge length is A and radius of sphere atom is R. So A is equal to 2R, length R plus R, 2R. The volume of cubic unit cell is A cube. A is 2R, therefore 2R cube is 8R cube. Next, number of atom per unit cell in simple cubic crystal is equal to 2. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, the volume of each unit cell is 1 into 4 by 3. Here, number of atom per unit cell in simple cubic crystal is 1. It is misprinted there. It is 1, not 2. Therefore, volume of each unit cell is 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cube is A cube. Therefore, packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by one sphere in the cell divided by total volume of unit cell into 100. So here calculation is given 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 2r cube. So after simplifying packing efficiency, it will become 52.4. This is the packing efficiency involved in simple cube. Similarly, calculation of packing efficiency in body centered cubic lattice or unit cell. Here what happened? One full atom is situated at the center. So we have to consider one corner atom sphere, one center atom and another corner atom sphere. So here triangle ABC is considered and diagonal is B square, side is A square plus A square. B square is equal to 2A square, B is equal to square root of 2a, that is equal to 2a. Now another triangle is considered ADG. C square is equal to a square plus b square. A square plus b square is square root of 2a whole square. It will be 3a square. C is equal to square root of 3a. The length of body diagonal is C is equal to 4r, where r is radius. C is equal to 4r. Square root of 3a is equal to 4r. A is equal to 4r divided by square root of 3, or r is equal to square root of 3 by 4a. Now here, number of atom per unit cell in body centered cube or structure is 2. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, the volume of each unit cell is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. And you know, volume of cube is a cube. So, packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by two spheres in the unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell, that is volume of cube, into 100. So let us substitute 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is the volume of two sphere, divided by total volume of unit cell is 4 by square root of 3 r whole cube into 100. So by simplifying, we get packing efficiency is equal to 68%. Similarly, calculation of packing efficiency in face-centered cubic unit cell. Let us consider the unit cell of FCC in which sphere A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are occupied at the corner, and sphere A, B, C, D, E, F are placed at the center of face. You can see in this structure, and edge length of unit cell is A, and body diagonal face diagonal is AC is equal to B. For calculation of packing efficiency, let us consider the right angle triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. You know Pythagoras theorem. Body diagonal square is equal to side square plus side square. So by applying that, we have this AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. But AC is what? Face diagonal, that is B. BC and AB is edge length A. Let us substitute in equation 1. We get B square is equal to A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square. B is equal to square root of 2A. If R is the radius of the sphere, therefore B is equal to 4R, R plus R plus R plus R, 4R. Therefore 4R is equal to square root of 2A, or A is equal to 4R divided by square root of 2. Therefore, number of atom per unit cell in CCP or FCC are 4, and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, total volume of each unit cell is 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. And we know volume of cube is A cube. Now, let us apply the packing efficiency formula. Packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by 4 spheres in the unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell, that is volume of cube, into 100. Let us substitute volume occupied by 4 spheres, that is 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by total volume of unit cell is 2 into square root of 2r whole cube. By substituting and simplifying, lastly we get packing efficiency is equal to 74%. So these three calculations are very important according to point of exam view. It will be asked for 4 mass and diagram is must and derivation should be properly derived. At the last, here on the screen we can see the formula to get the density, number of atoms or radius. Formula given is like this: D is equal to Zm divided by A cube into Na, where D is density of the unit cell, Z is number of atoms present in unit cell, M is molar mass of the element, A is edge length of cube, and Na is Avogadro's number or Avogadro's constant. Its value is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So by this formula we can calculate density of the cell, number of atoms involved in crystal solid, also we get molar mass and edge length of the unit cell.